Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make French toast Pinoy. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need some bread, preferably day-old pandezel or any soft white bread, a couple of eggs, some fresh milk, and a touch of sugar. Having a shallow dish ready for our egg mixture will make the next steps much easier. This classic breakfast gets a delightful Filipino twist, perfect for any morning. Now let's create the delicious batter that will coat our bread. In your shallow dish, whisk together 2 large eggs with about 1/2 cup of fresh milk until well combined. For that perfect sweetness, stir in 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. To elevate the flavor, add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This mixture is the heart of our Pinoy French toast, giving it a rich and inviting taste. With our batter ready, it's time to cook. Gently dip each slice of bread into the egg mixture, allowing it to soak for about 10 seconds on each side. Next, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Place the soaked bread slices into the warm pan. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and are cooked through. This ensures a perfectly crispy exterior and a soft interior. Once your French toast is perfectly golden, it's ready to be enjoyed. Serve it warm right off the pan. For that authentic Pinoy touch, generously drizzle condensed milk over each slice, or simply dust with powdered sugar for a classic finish. This delightful Filipino-inspired breakfast or snack is incredibly satisfying and a wonderful way to start your day or enjoy a sweet treat. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.